I'm here changing the power steering, the two serpentine belts of a Toyota Sienna 2004. These are the two belts from Dayco, 5060410, 5040347. The first belt, the bigger one, is for the alternator and the compressor down there. For the alternator, all you had to do is loosen these two bolts right here. I mean this one and the one next to it. This one locks it in place. This one adjusts the height up and down. But for the alternator to turn up and down to loosen the belt, you have to loosen this hinge on the alternator right there. So I managed to get that one off. The next one is a power steering belt. Remove the front passenger wheel. Remove this cover right here, which is there. And then once you remove the first belt for the alternator and the AC compressor right there, next, this here is a power steering belt. That's a power steering pulley right there. So all you had to do is loosen these two bolts right there. And to tighten it, I would recommend using a vise like this. Take these two bolts and squeeze it towards each other so it tightens the belt. That's it. Thank you for watching.